you're back with us inside the USEP Gym in Davao City sa pagpapatuloy ng ating PBA Sabado Nights. Marshall Johnny Escobar at ang buong puwersa ng inyong Sports 5 kung saan itong rain or shine has broken this game wide open and is now looking to take the fight out of Meralco with still over 4 minutes remaining in this third frame.
Meron pa tayong full quarter ahead of them, Magu, but that is a big 26-point lead para sa rain or shine. But the thing is, a couple of turnovers kagad para dito sa Meralco Bolts. Ano? So, not looking good at this 4-minute mark ng third quarter para sa Bolts.
Smart Bro Fast Break ang ating natutunghayan natin sa atin ng Smart Bro, tomorrow's internet. What is rain or shine doing so well, Jolly, na naging 26 bigla ang kalamangan nila dito?
Alam mo, partner, they're shooting the ball very well. At panay ang takbo nila. Ito, makikita natin, another fast break opportunity para sa kanila. Hinawakan na lamang nitong si Anjo Karam. Simply too deadly, rain or shine, but what's the call?
Humihingi ng unsportsmanlike or flagrant foul ang buong bench ng rain or shine dahil nga naman, there was no play on the ball. He was held down.
Tama ka. On top of that, Maguy, magandang ball movement nila. A lot of unselfish plays, mga assists. Minsan nga, nagsobra na yung kanilang mga pasahan, pero really looking for that open man, open baskets, nice baskets. Ito na naman, allocate na naman nila ang kumakat na Ray Almazan using his left hand. Free throws na naman para sa kanya.
Rain or shine, mukhang naipagpag na nila kung ano man yung naging problema nila at the onset of this tournament. They're looking deadly as ever,
Yes. Naging biktima nila itong Meralco Bolts as we see miss sa unang free throw nitong si Ray Almazan.
Di mo ba maiiwan ang laro para magluto ng ulam? Ulalam Instant Ulam. Di lang basta ulam, instant ulam. Natin ito, rain or shine has already beat the two expansion teams, Jolly. And of course, Meralco Bull Energy and Global Port. Now they are looking to beat the Meralco Bolts before they head into battle kontra sa NLEX sa November 25, Pure Food sa November 30, Alaska sa December 5, at Barangay Nebra sa December 7.
So, lalakas pa na nga makakatapat pa nitong rain or shine, no? Final 4 games. Pero yun na nga, one game at a time. You know what they say? Gary David trying to make things happen for the Bolts. Buti, they get another opportunity dito.
Atkins on the attack. Scoops it up and in.
Second chance points para dito sa Meralco Bolts. Now getting that offensive rebound earlier at becomes rain or shine once again.
T.Y. Tang trying to look for an opening against that defense of Meralco. Almazan finds it. He was trying to finish with a left and he's fouled.
He loves finishing with his left hand and putting the ball on the floor. Raymond Almazan, a little ball fake. Tapos in-attack niya yung gap. Na-foul siya, free throws para kay Ray Almazan.
Less than 3 minutes remaining in the third. Timeout muna tayo.